Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new Rough Rider knife that I got. This will be the Rough Rider slip joint RR2697. These do not have names, so we are sticking with the model number. Comes in a red box here. And as of lately, Rough Rider does release more of these modern meets traditional style slip joint knives with G-10 and pocket clip and so on. So I'm really happy to see this one, and I'm really happy to be able to add it to my collection. So let's talk about the specifications. So we have an overlength of 20 centimeters, that is 7.8 inches. So in my opinion, one of the most usable EDC size. For a large hand, I have XL size hand, so I can have really nice 4-finger purchase because it's a really nice neutral style handle configuration here. The blade is 8.5 centimeters, 3.3 inches with a width of 2.2 centimeters, 0.88 inches. Thickness is 2.6 millimeters, 0.1 inch. Handle length 11.5 centimeters, 4.5 inches with a thickness of 1.1 centimeter or 0.44 inches. That is measured without the width of the pocket clip. So the blade is made out of 440A with a satin clip point profile and finish, of course. We have a really nice swedge and long pull, or more should I say long cutout for opening. The handles are made out of G-10, and we have full stainless steel liners with a stainless steel back spring and a, I don't know if this ABS plastic, Zytel or G-10 insert as functions as a lanyard hole. We have 90-degree half stop, really good walk and talk, snappy action, nice sharpening choil, pocket clip, a wire pocket clip, which in my opinion for EDC task is a really good option here, and it is, thank you very much, ambidextrous, so you can switch it. So this is a really nice full or super ambidextrous design, so all of my left-handed carry users, this is something you can enjoy carry. Let me show you the finish on the blade. So yeah, we have the Rough Rider logo on one side and the model number and made in China on the other side. Pivot color, another black plastic or G10 color around the pivot screw. As far as pivot assembly goes, it's probably some kind of bronze washers. So let me show you the pocket profile really quickly. I will use the thicker jean pocket here, and it goes inside without any problems. And this is how much it will be sticking out. As far as sharpness goes, so let's check that out too. Oh yeah, this is really super nice and sharp. I forgot to mention that there is a really nice micro milling on the G10, so this is super grippy, so you will definitely not slip. Your fingers will not slip from this one. Okay, the weight comes in 101.3 grams or 3.6 ounces, and of course these are made in China for Smoky Mountain Knife Works, which are the dealer, distributor, and also the owner of the brand. Now let's see some similar designs, or should I say similar patterns. Okay, so with the blade shape, couple of knives comes to my mind. So first is this older brother 1512, which of course is a, let's say, trapper style of blade. Then twisted assisted Lenis clip, more so because of the nice swedge clip point profile with the downwards angle and the opening of the, so the Lenis clip is a really popular pattern. Then let's continue with this is also older Rough Rider, the 2107 in G-10, also a trapper pattern. Then let's put here also the case Swordbuster Junior. Then one big one here is the G-10, a G-10 version of the, this is a Rough Rider folding hunter, if I'm not mistaken. I do not see the number on it, so definitely a much bigger knife from the same series. Here is a trapper, two-bladed configuration. And let's continue with a traditional Barlow from Rough Rider Reserve series, and also Tribal Lock from Case. The price wise, these are $17.99 US dollars or 27.5 euros here in Europe, so definitely you will pay a little bit more. Rough Rider Peanut. Let's see the Sharpie here. Let's put also in a Midnight Swirl Stockman from Rough Rider. Okay, now let's continue with some more modern designs. The Berker Plus Bonfire comes to mind, in my mind, the fusion of the modern and traditional trapper with micarta and also pocket clip. This is a liner lock version. Let's continue with the Walter CTK2. Also a beautiful clip point profile blade, micarta liner lock. Let's see the Bestech Man Dundee. P35 Fish 949 Warrior. CGRB Feldspar full size, Knife Center exclusive. P35 Fish Vector, another beautiful clip point and brown micarta combination. Let's see the Berker Magnum Toxicofera. Nav's Lander 2, exclusive version with the clip point and paper micarta scales. Is the Benchmade Bug Out, also exclusive version of the CGRB Pyrite Bowie. Bug Sprint Pro. Kaiser Baglighter 2. See the Vosteed Raccoon. QSP Osprey. Similarly designed lanyard hole application. Okay, let's do a couple more. So here's the paramilitary 2, and the full-size Griptilian from Benchmade, and CVV rustic gent, another well-made traditional fusion of the modern and the traditional design. Beautiful clip point profile blade and pearl micarta and carbon fiber bolster. Okay, so let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier folding hunter. So this was the Rough Ryder slip joint RR2697. So if you are looking for something on a bigger size with a nice traditional shaped blade, then check out this beautiful, inexpensive option out there from Rough Ryder. With that being said, I will thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. All the information, like always, will be in the description down below also. So check it out if you like. I will try also put some links to it for your convenience. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And I would like to wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. And be safe. Bye.